Hi everyone, welcome to today's demonstration of the Sage Journals database. My name is Stephanie Ard, and I'm the Collegiate Librarian for the Social Sciences at the Kennesaw State University Libraries. Today, I'll be guiding you through how to use this resource for your class. First, let's access the Sage Journals database through the Kennesaw State Library's website, which is www.kennesaw.edu/library. Once you're on the library homepage, click the Find a Database link. This will take you to our entire list of databases. You can sort in many ways, including by subject area, but since I know the name of my database, I'm going to click S and look for Sage Journals. At this point, it may prompt you to log in with your KSU credentials. Once you're in the Sage Journals database, you'll see a search bar at the top. Let's start by searching for articles related to Black female voters in the United States and hit Enter. This will yield a list of search results. To narrow down the results, use the filters on the left-hand side. You can filter by publication date. So let's say you're only interested in articles from the last 10 years. You can filter by article type. So if you're looking only for research articles, you can click Research Article. Now, let's choose an article to explore. Click on the title of an article that interests you. For example, I'm going to click on the one titled, in their names, Black Women's Political Power in the United States. Once you've selected an article, you'll be taken to its detail page. Here, you can read the abstract, view the full text, download the PDF or EPUB, see the article's references, and you will also be shown similar articles on the right-hand side. For more specific searches, you can use the Advanced Search feature. If you go back to the top of the page, under the search bar, you'll see a blue link that says Advanced Search. Here, you can combine multiple search terms and use Boolean operators like and, or, and not. For example, let's search for articles that include both Black female voters and political participation. Many of the same limiters are also available here. So if you want to limit by publication date or access type, you may do so. If you want to be able to read the articles immediately, I recommend selecting only content I have full access to. To save articles for later, click on the title of the article that you would like to keep. When you're looking at the article, you'll notice various options at the top here. One of these allows you to cite the article. I recommend using RefWorks, which is a citation management software provided by Kennesaw State University. You can also share in other ways. You can share on social media, you can email the link to yourself, or you can download the PDF. This concludes our demonstration of the Sage Journals database. Remember, this is a powerful tool for your research, and this was a pretty quick demonstration. So if you have any questions or you're having any problems finding what you need, don't hesitate to contact your librarian. Thank you for joining and happy researching.